Hi everyone, this is an introductory video for Smash That Small Paper Pad Collab 2020 hosted by me. We will be posting on the 25th of each month at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, except December. And in December, because the 25th falls on Christmas Day, we will post on the 26th. And there's quite a group of us. There are, I believe the last number was 23, including me. So yeah, reserve the date. That's what this is all about today. Reserve the date of the 25th of each month. Now, if this is for small paper pads, so this will not be using up 12 by 12 paper pads. It will be using 6 by 6, 4.5 by 6.5, 8 by 8, this size, 6 by 8, which is, I'm giving you a peek. This is what I selected for my first paper pad. It has 24 papers. They are double-sided. And of course I pulled out, and the reason I want to use this one is because I have two of them. They're both, oh, this one's not sealed, so let me show you this one. And I have various things that go with them. I had probably gotten it off Peachy Cheap, bought it once, forgot I bought it. So I'll give you a quick sneak peek. And while I'm doing that, I would like to say, please be sure to subscribe to everyone and hit their notification bells. They'll all be down in the description box below. So yeah, be sure that you subscribe to everyone so that you know when the videos are going up and that you don't miss anyone, because you'll want to see all the lovely creations. We have quite a group, and they're international and United States, so you know it's going to be everywhere because there's no giveaway here. It's just sharing our makes and how we're working through a pad. So the idea is we continue to use the same small paper pad till we use it up, and then we keep going throughout the year, but we pick another one. And it would be an entirely different one, you know, probably in most cases. And they may not be brand new paper pads. Some people may have used partial ones, but they want to finish them and then move on to another partial one, and that's fine. That's perfectly okay with me. It doesn't have to be a brand new pad. The whole point here is to use up our stash. 2020 is going to be a year of use up our stash. So yeah, this is what I'll be using, and I'm going to also be using with it this stamp set that came with, and these 4x6 sticker sheets, 8 sheets of stickers, and these chipboard stickers. So I have no idea what I'm going to make with it yet, but I wanted to show you that before I actually start working with it. And then on the one that I bought the second time around, it didn't come with the same things. It did come with the sticker, so I'll probably only finish one sticker book and one paper pad, but it did come with these bits and pieces, ephemera pieces. So I may use some of those too. So I'm thinking I'll probably use some of these and some of these and some of these. Maybe, I don't know, I'll use as many as I can of these. And then this stamp, and see what I come up with to make with this beautiful Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Botanicals it's called. So that is my choice. And that's all I wanted to do was come on and introduce it. Again, we're posting at 10 a.m. Eastern on the 25th. So come back on the 25th of each month and be sure to watch and see what everyone has come up with. We hope you'll join us, and stay tuned, guys, because we have other collabs coming too. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a great 2020. Bye for now.